Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College. Just taking a little look at these stock market indices because they're getting very top heavy here this, what date is it? The 22nd of February. And if I look at the German DAX here, I'm looking at the daily chart. You know what we do here guys at Trading College, we've got our pro trend system, our momentum indicators. And you can see the DAX made a high November 22. Nice peak here in the storyteller. Then we had a nice little zigzag pullback, new buy signal right in here, confirmed with momentum, pushed above, broke above new highs. Okay, and as soon as we broke above new highs, storyteller was making a lower high, so we've got divergence now. That's number 1 and 2. Then we could pull back and then we make a brand new high in here. Storyteller makes a lower high, so that's number 3. And we break above here again and make brand new highs. We're at 15,500 on the German DAX. The storyteller is lower. So we have, in my book, what I call a 4-wave short, okay? 4-wave divergence, you may know of. Now, that's the structure. That's the structure of the chart. That's the trend. Price has been going up, momentum, and the commitment of the bull market, the bull here, the bulls, I should say, not the bull market, the bulls, is getting less and less, all right? Because momentum on our pricing index here, or our pricing indicator, momentum pricing indicator, is getting lower, all right? So the trigger now is the red PTS, all right? So we got the red PTS on yesterday's candlestick, so that confirmed. So let me open it out for you. So we got the red, which means more sellers are in control. Now, automatically, the line is drawn to short. The stop is put in place and the profit target is projected lower, all automatically, okay? So our entry was 15,335. We're trading at 262 at the moment. So if we can get below this support area here, we can easily flush down to this 1501. All right, so if you're a bull and you're bullish stock markets, be careful. We are in a 4-wave correction here. 4 waves can correct quite a long way. So just be careful. I trade this stuff every single day, guys. All right, 4-hour time frame on the German DAX. Nice one here in our trading room this morning. Short on the way down from yesterday, and then all the way this morning on this 4-hour candlestick. Nice red momentum pointing down, so it's short side trades in that. And if you go off piste a little bit and look at things like what's been in the news here today, right move. House prices stalling here. That's the news out. Already got a red PTS. Okay, so already red short. Lloyd's Bank, which I think profits were not as good as expected. Let's have a little look. Is it already red? Yeah, that was today, and we're already red on the downside here. Okay, whatever momentum indicator you're using, it will signal that it's overbought at some point. And for me, I don't like buying when our storyteller is high up. I call it mature. When it's mature, I don't want to be the last one in the trade. I want to be with the storyteller when it's lower. And whatever indicator you're using, of course, you want to be in the start of the move, or at least the middle of the move. When it gets too overbought, you know, they talk about RSI indicator, it can stay overbought for a long time. Yes, it can. But every day it ticks by, the chances of a pullback or a correction increases. So I don't want to be buying when the RSI indicator is overbought, guys, all right? I want to stay away from that. I want to be buying when the momentum is just starting out, and that's the key. So let's have a little look at the NASDAQ here as well. Yeah, the NASDAQ here was losing momentum. A bit of fib work here, and we're looking like we want to roll over. In the NASDAQ, red and pointing down. FTSE 100, I'm not sure if I just looked at that for you. Yeah, we've got the same thing going on here on the FTSE. Let's delete the Fibonacci work here for you. This is not a 3 or 4 wave, this is a 2 wave. And it's important you get the angles right with 2 waves. So nice buy signals here, okay, with nice momentum, nice green pro trend system, momentum on the indicators looks good. You know, I don't want to buy when it's mature, so then we wait for the pullback, get the new buy signal, we start to push up, and then we've got a 1-2. All right, 1-2s are different than 1-2-3-4s. 1-2-3-4s are devastating for a trend could be a trend reversal for years. 1-2s could just pull it back for a period of a week or 2 weeks. All right. On the DAX, we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4. On the FTSE, we've got a 1, 2. Doesn't mean it can't get down to our next target of 7,803. And if you're somebody not trading divergences, that's completely fine, because I think you just got to be aware that there is one in place, and then you want to be banking or taking profits off the table when you see these two-wave divergences. These 2 ways and 3 ways and 4 ways are just giving you the heads up that price is getting tired and we could get a reversal. It's up to you whether you trade those trades or not. And it's highly profitable here at Trading College the way we trade them, and take advantage of these moves. We don't want to be late into moves, and we're not late into moves because of these 2 and 3 ways. We're in much earlier, selling and banking those profits before those 2 ways reverse. All right, guys, hope it helps. I'll speak to you soon. Take care.